Alright guys, this could be a controversial video, but I think it will help a lot of people out, especially beginners who are fairly new to dropshipping. And just so you know, this will be an unbiased video. There are no affiliate links below. I don't benefit whether you use these platforms or not. I would actually make more money by recommending them and adding affiliate links below, but I'm not here to bullshit anyone. Now, if you've looked into dropshipping, you've likely come across dropshipping platforms like Zendrop, Spocket, TeamDrop, USAdrop, CJdropshipping. There's plenty of them. I'm going to call them dropshipping platforms in this video because they're not technically suppliers, like they're middlemen. And the reason I decided to make this video was because over the years, I've had a lot of people contact me about their bad experiences with these platforms. And I'm not saying they're all bad. I'm sure the people who had good experiences with them wouldn't be contacting me. But I'm just going to give you my honest take in this video. So these platforms all have a similar business model, which is they are essentially middlemen who connect suppliers with dropshippers. So they don't typically hold stock and they're mostly online only and they don't have a physical location. Now, whilst they're all similar, they all offer different services and different features and have different pricing structures. Like some will cost a monthly fee just to use their platform, others are free to use. But they still all make money with product markups and shipping and fulfillment costs and partnering with other companies. And the reason there's so many of these platforms out there these days is because it's such a great business model. They're online only, they don't hold stock, they just partner with suppliers and they just mark up the product cost. So essentially, they're dropshipping, okay? But they're dropshipping to dropshippers. And I can see why beginners to dropshipping would be so tempted to use these platforms because they simplify the dropshipping process. You don't need to learn how to source suppliers and fulfill orders and manage shipping. You can manage most of it from their platform. Plus, everyone online makes these platforms sound amazing. Like if you look up Zendrop review or TeamDrop review, you're gonna find a lot of positive reviews, especially on YouTube. And you know why? Because they've got very generous affiliate programs. So most people recommending them are receiving commissions. So of course they sound enticing to beginners. Now, I've gone through many of the products listed on Zendrop and Spocket and USAdrop and the other ones. In my honest opinion, they're nearly all dog shit and I wouldn't dropship 99% of the products listed on these platforms. Unless you just want to open a general store selling bits of everything, which I wouldn't recommend. And the products weren't exactly cheap. Like the ones I looked at were considerably cheaper on AliExpress. Some of them even stocked print-on-demand products. So they expect you to dropship products from other print-on-demand sellers. Like why wouldn't you just do print-on-demand yourself and cut them out? So in my opinion, most of the products they have listed are not viable for dropshipping. However, some of these platforms can also source products for you if you tell them exactly what you want. You don't have to only dropship what they have listed. So if they can source the exact product you want and it's good quality at a good price and it's reasonable shipping times, then it may be worth it. But I just wouldn't be surprised if you couldn't source it at a lower price elsewhere. And I would also be a little apprehensive to scale my business with them because I just don't have much confidence that they would be reliable enough if I wanted to do large volume. Now, the other thing I want to mention is some of these platforms claim to have their own warehouse with products around the world in the US and the UK and Australia. So you're meant to be able to filter the products on their platform to find all the local products for fast shipping. Okay, that's a big selling point of their platform. Like the fact that you can dropship products from the US to US citizens, like that's what separates them from just using AliExpress. But you need to ask yourself, do you really think that they're opening their own warehouses all around the world and they're shipping products in bulk to sit in those warehouses hoping they sell and paying staff to work in those warehouses, all just for you to get faster shipping to your customers? Like there's a lot more going on here and I could go deeper into this subject, but I'm gonna leave it there for now. And you'll also see a lot of these platforms will advertise that they partner with domestic 3PLs and other suppliers you can use for fast shipping. But the thing is, you don't need to use these platforms to use the 3PLs and the suppliers. Like you can contact them yourself and likely get better pricing. You can Google 3PLs and fulfillment centers and find tons of them And the same goes for domestic suppliers. Like I have a huge list of over 1,200 domestic dropshipping suppliers within my course. The other thing I want to mention is I don't dislike these platforms because they're middlemen. Okay, there's nothing wrong with using a middleman for dropshipping because you're likely going to be using a middleman of some kind with dropshipping anyway. It's unlikely you're going to get a manufacturer to dropship products directly from their factory for you. But if I'm dropshipping, I want to partner with someone who works directly with manufacturers and factories in China because I want as few links in the chain as possible. And I want to work with someone who provides the services I need to run my dropshipping business as effectively and efficiently as possible. So for me, I would rather dropship using a private agent in China because they deal directly with Chinese factories. They've built up relationships with these factories. They know which factories have the best quality materials. They know to only work with factories in specific areas of China who specialize in those products. And they know which factories can get the best price. Plus, they can negotiate on price on your behalf. They can manage inventory for you. They can help you buy in bulk down the track if you need to. And they have access to the best shipping lines in China. So these other dropshipping platforms like Zendrop and CJ and TeamDrop, they are a kind of agent, but they operate like a generalized and a far less personalized agent. But also with them, the product prices would typically be higher. You won't have the same level of support. They can't source exactly what you want. And they don't typically work directly with the factory. They often work with other agents or trading companies. However, a private agent in China will work directly with you and will be specific to your business, and you build a relationship with them, which is so important. They want to get you the best quality products at the best prices with fast shipping because they want you to succeed. They want to partner with sellers for the long term. That's how they succeed. So they're incentivized to help you. But agents in China all operate a little different and you have to pick the right kind of agent. But just be aware, most agents will require you to be making a certain number of sales before they work with you. So the main benefit dropshipping platforms have over using a special agent is the fact that you can use them without needing to make a single sale. Now, the only time I would recommend you use one of these dropshipping platforms is if they can source the exact product for you at reasonable cost with reasonable shipping times, and you're only using them for a short period of time. I would not use any platform that charges a monthly fee to use their service. So only ever use them in the short term. Definitely don't sign up for a 6 or 12-month plan, and I would not risk scaling my business with them. Okay, I would not have the confidence that they're reliable enough for that. The one big advantage they have is that they've simplified dropshipping. For a complete beginner who doesn't know exactly how to source suppliers and fulfill orders and manage shipping, like this is important. I just find it hard to see why any experienced and successful dropshipper would use these platforms. But maybe I'm wrong, maybe some of them do. I'd love to hear of your experiences in the comments, good or bad. Feel free to disagree with me. I welcome all opinions. Thanks for watching, guys.